In this video, we are going to talk about 10 lessons from Elon Musk. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel, and ring the bell for our future updates. Elon Musk is best known as the CEO of Tesla Motors, which he created in 2003 and has been in business since then. As one of the few entrepreneurs who has earned a significant fortune in the field of information technology, he deserves to be recognized. A substantial contribution to the advancement of spaceflight, online payments, and electric automobiles may be traced back to him. To begin the process of colonizing Mars, he is currently working to build supersonic electric aircraft as a first step in his mission to do so. Who is Elon Musk? For those who are unaware with his accomplishments, he is the founder of several companies including SpaceX, Tesla Motors, the Hyperloop transportation system, PayPal, and SolarCity. He was able to fully restructure a number of industries in a relatively short amount of time. His role as an inspiration to enterprises and entrepreneurs all across the world is without a doubt undeniable. So we've developed a list of 10 entrepreneurial lessons you can learn from Elon Musk that you may apply to your own business. Number 10. Keep distractions at bay. Successive entrepreneurs, such as Elon Musk, advise aspiring business owners to invest their resources in enhancing their products rather than marketing their enterprises. In order to produce a great product, it is necessary to invest in research and development, design, engineering, and manufacturing. You must maintain complete concentration on product development at all times and refrain from becoming sidetracked by other activities or tasks. Number 9. Welcome criticism. When it comes to praise and recognition, the vast majority of business owners are hungrier than they have ever been. But Elon Musk isn't like that. He's the opposite. Contrary to popular belief, positive reinforcement and recognition are just as vital in deciding your overall performance. Your answer to criticism will provide you with an opportunity to make improvements to your product and service. A superior product is also of critical relevance for a startup, which is why. Number 8. Skills matter. You might be astonished if you apply to Musk's companies. This is because numerous of the billionaire's enterprises stress skill over education in their hiring processes. Musk is recognized for being significantly more concerned with what a person can achieve, or potentially do, than with his educational background. Perhaps this is due to the fact that Musk possesses certain high-level abilities. Indeed, one of the primary ways in which Musk, who holds a dual degree in economics and physics, can comprehend the complexity of vehicle manufacturing and space travel is via this lens. Musk's journey demonstrates how important talents are and how hard effort can help you climb the corporate ladder. Musk built his wealth producing the world's most inventive electric automobiles and flying rocket ships to the International Space Station, starting as the proprietor of an online newspaper directory. Number 7. Think out of the box. Entrepreneurship necessitates the use of creative problem-solving skills. According to many analysts and business experts, Elon Musk is an excellent businessperson because of his ability to think outside the box and challenge conventional wisdom. He approaches problems with an innovative and fearless mindset, which has helped him to achieve success. With projects like Musk's Hyperloop, which aims to revolutionize transportation by using vacuum trains that travel at the speed of sound, and his Neuralink Corporation, which aims to combine human and artificial intelligence in an effort to save the human race, the billionaire has proven time and time again that he is willing to go against the grain in order to make the world a better place. I am willing to go against the grain in order to make the world a better place, Musk says. Because of this, it is critical that you think outside the box, regardless of the circumstances or obstacles that you face. You cannot be successful unless you think outside of the box. Number 6. Commercial secrecy is not always fruitful. Elon Musk is an international commercial magnate, yet he thinks in a different way than most people. He attempts to address common terrestrial problems in a non-conventional way, using unconventional methods. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has invested in a high-speed public transportation business known as the Hyperloop. The Hyperloop is a proposed means of passenger and freight transportation that would drive a pod-like vehicle through a near-vacuum tube at speeds greater than that of an aeroplane. It is currently under development. Musk assembled a group of engineers from Tesla and SpaceX to see if he could make it happen. Musk was successful. They worked on the conceptual underpinning and modeling of Hyperloop and developed a white paper, which they distributed to the wider tech-minded community, requesting their feedback and suggestions. The design was open source, which was a first for Musk. He wanted everyone to be able to comprehend it and contribute suggestions that could help enhance the final product. He then revealed his intention to develop a prototype in order to put the notion to the test in real life. Number 5: Focus on the big picture. Unsurprisingly, a large number of young entrepreneurs are only concerned with making short-term gains. This is one of the things that sets Elon Musk apart from the rest of the competition. More to the point, it is for the same reason that 50% of startups fail to make it past their first 5 years in business. Entrepreneurs should consider the big picture rather than focusing solely on the short-term rewards they expect to receive. This is feasible through the implementation of a long-term strategy, which increases the likelihood of surviving the crisis. Number 4: Look with fresh eyes. The use of this strategy is one of Elon Musk's unorthodox yet extremely effective strategies, which he applies on a regular basis. Placing your previous knowledge aside and approaching the world, and everything in it, with a fresh perspective, aided by clear-headed dialogue and objective data, are two of the most effective methods of improving your mental process. Number 3: Sometimes you have to make your own way. Some of Musk's successes have taken people by surprise, and not just because some of them are considered out of the usual. Instead of this, it has more to do with the fact that Musk has primarily served as a trailblazer, who has not been afraid to forge ahead on his own in his professional life. Musk's The Boring Company, for example, was founded to reduce the cost of tunnel boring, which is a major component of his aspirations to overhaul transportation. Other than tunneling for a variety of other Musk projects, the company, which was created with the goal of reducing the cost of tunnel digging by a factor of 10, has already achieved significant success in that mission. Musk has proved through this example, both physically and metaphorically, that if we want to accomplish greatness in life, we must occasionally construct our own routes. In doing so, the billionaire has demonstrated that he is not afraid to face difficulties head-on and confront them head-on. Number 2. There's no alternative to hard work. When Elon Musk and his brother Kimball Musk founded their first software company, Zip2, in 1995, he worked around the clock to see the project through to completion. He claims that in order to achieve success, one must put in 80 to 100 hours every week. For example, according to him, if you put in 100 hours per week while the others put in 40 hours per week, it will take you 4 months to do what they can in a year. Whatever fantastic idea you have, you will need to put in the necessary effort to see it through. To be sure, none of this would have been possible without a little bit of effort on our part. Or, in Musk's case, a significant amount of it. Aside from his business practices, the billionaire is also well known for the way he treats his employees. Employee memos written by Musk, in particular, have garnered attention because they instruct employees to simply not show up to management meetings if they have nothing to contribute. Musk's organizations benefit from a no-nonsense work environment that encourages high levels of productivity across the board, according to Musk. Musk has demonstrated firsthand that this type of dedication pays off, amassing a fortune in excess of $20 billion. After starting from the ground up, the billionaire has built an empire that ranks among the wealthiest people on the planet. Number 1. Now what is important? Stanford University, where Elon Musk was enrolled for his doctorate, was his final stop because he was captivated by the Silicon Valley, its success stories, and its innovations. Eventually, he came to the conclusion that the internet, artificial intelligence, space exploration, renewable energy, and altering the human genetic code were all technologies that would be used in the near future. This ability to foretell the future proved to be quite useful to him. I hope you enjoyed our video. Please let us know in the comments area below. Thank you for being with us. Please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell before leaving. Thank you for watching How to Make Money Top 10 Videos channel.